Oh, the sawdust is blowing straight across. Oh, wee. Jesus. All right, well, it is gust. We get periodic gusts of about 35 miles an hour right now. Just gonna go brush these things out. Leave the top, put a rope in it, and pull them over. Mata's going up one, I'm gonna go up the other and swing over and put a rope in the third one. Mata and Colby already climbed 3 collectively. And we've got 3 more, but Mata's in that one. I'm going up that one, and when I get to the top, I'll put a rope up in that one. I am not a fan of climbing in the wind. It's just about as bad as climbing dead trees. Got a shed right here behind me, but the wind's all blowing that way. So I got that in my favor to throw branches. The audio is going to be on this video, but just wanted to put something out for you guys. Let me know what you like. It seems like it's hit or miss, the videos with me chatting or just the videos with the music. What you guys want to see, let me know in the comments. For once, these branches are actually the size I thought they were from the ground. They're usually way bigger when you get up here. Try to manipulate these without lowering them. Give the ground guys time to clean it up. Kind of a bushy mess down there. Gotta find the balance of letting the climber get the heck out of the tree and helping the ground guys out by not overloading them. Manipulate this again. Not even halfway up and this thing's moving still. What an eerie feeling. Look at that. Woo-wee. Watch that. Watch this branch. Sailing. Bye-bye. Right into the area where the guys are cleaning up. Careful not to hit them. One of my biggest fears is just a tree uprooting with me in it. We had some crazy winds last night, so I keep telling myself if it didn't come down last night, it's not going to. Who the heck knows? Rained a lot. I'm gonna stop talking about the factors that can go into this tree falling on it. This one's gonna be kind of hairy. I gotta get it through this one, out the middle. bigger on this thing. Forgot to turn the camera on for those last couple, but swung them the same way I've been swinging all these. I can see the top, it broke out at some point. So this one doesn't blow that much in the wind. Mata's over there in the single stem. That one's moving a lot more than mine is, so something to be thankful for. My secondary liner. Yeah, I love climbing trees, but not on days like this. Last night we had about 40-mile-an-hour gusts. Today it's calming down as the day goes through, but we're still at about 30, you know, periodically coming through. Gives you not a great feeling in the stomach. I don't know if the stabilization will pick that up, but this thing's moving pretty good. Up in this brush here on the other fir. Try to steer him the other way. Oh my, it's blowing, the sawdust is blowing straight across. Oh wee. Don't like that feeling. Really don't like that feeling. These ones close, and I'm going to cut while he's down there just because these things are flying so far. Throw my rope up around here. Our main concern with why we couldn't fall this was it had so much limb weight over the shed. So I'm just getting rid of that limb weight. And then gonna tie a rope up there, pull it over. Trying to catch this wind for you guys, but every time I turn my GoPro on, it stops. So maybe I'll just leave it running. There it is. Oh yeah. You can see these trees over here just absolutely going nuts. Man, it's just crazy how strong these things are. They look so weak, skinny, but man, they just hold up really good. I'm gonna go down. The way I have my rope set up, I don't know if we have enough rope, so I'll tie that one up first. When we get done with that, I'll just tie the rigging line to this end of my rope when I get to tie the rigging line to this end of the rope. When I get down, pull it up through and choke it off. So I'm gonna come down a little bit so I can swing over to that guy and put a rope in it. I might take some of the brush on the way down, but it's all really small. down far enough to where I think I can swing over to it. Rope with no carabiner. So you always have to be prepared, and I'll show you guys what I got. I've got a little throw ball right here with a locking DMM carabiner. I've lost a ton of throw balls off the end of my rope by just throwing it with these little DMM carabiners on them, and they just pop right open and you lose them forever. Woo. Every time I make that noise, the wind blows. Probably hear it. Great time, love it. I'll just get down to where I think I can reach over to that thing. Way leaned out here. That's probably enough to swing over. Oh yeah. Go up just a little bit. Rope line around this. Really weird when there's two trees that are kind of blowing at different paces. They're spreading and slacking and pulling you apart of all sorts of things. Now we will probably run into an issue because the rope's on the back side of this tree. We'd have to pull it around the branches. So I'll probably have them just tie me on the rope bag and throw it out there. This high up, and your coworkers don't charge their communication devices. You got to use a wide range of hand signals. I know a little bit of sign language, but I didn't get to cut it for everybody else. I just told him, I showed him the rope like this, kind of did a bag knee and just motioned that I was going to chuck it out that way, and he got it, and he's tying the bag on right now. Oh, that's a good one. All right, rope out. Yep. And now I'm getting the heck out of here. Here. I love this Rope Runner Pro, man. This thing is just flies. So controlled, so broken in, so smooth. Alright, so this is my climb line that I came down on, and here's our rigging rope. So what I'll do is just get the end of this. Let's hope the sheet bend fits around it, or I might just do a full, like a bowline kind of deal with two ropes. One of these type of things. Really just hoping that makes it through the crotch up there, but it's pretty mild. Moment of truth. I see it. Uh-oh. Felt like it untied itself, but we got it. Definitely almost just dislocated my shoulder right there. We're not gonna talk about that. Yo. Okay. All right, we got the rope cinched up there. I'm gonna try to get it. This might be stuck on a little nub. There we go. Oh yeah. All right, we'll go run it back to that block over there, back down to the Mini, and pull this thing over. From the tree to the block, back to the Mini. Just keeps all the equipment out of the way, getting crushed by that tree. rope's a little stuck under that top, so we're using the mini to pull it out. This is my new to me 572 XP. Love this saw. Somebody drilled holes in the air filter cover for apparently high flow intaking of air, and then another said person just JB welded it. I don't know. New cover's like 30 bucks. I don't really care. I love this saw. It rips. I used to be a steel guy, but you guys have seen I use the 540 XP climb saw, and now this is my go-to big-ish saw, 71 cc, so it's about the same size as a 462. But yeah, I love it. It might be a little heavier. I don't know if it's just in my head, but it loves to eat. It's full bar length of wood, that's for sure. Gonna buck the rest of the log. This guy wants 16 footers. Go under that first so I don't pinch my bar. All the wood wanted to pinch like this, so if I go from the top down, I'm definitely getting stuck. All right guys, that's that. Thanks a ton for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.